Well, hi and welcome back to Jim's Radio Shop, and we're looking at the IF coil I've just taken out of this Phico 91X. And we're taking a close look at it, and you're looking at it through a magnifying glass. And somewhere in this coil there's an open. And it could be right in the windings here, anywhere, invisible, but most likely it's these connections here. Now take a look at what's going on here. See if you can help me figure it out. This definitely looks like a twisted pair of wires, and here they are, there and there. And I'm going to guess this goes around the back of this tab and comes out this side. And it's almost as if somebody took a straight piece of wire, folded it over, and then took the folded part, twisted it, and then stuck the loop at the end over this thing. Pulled it all down tight through here. I have no idea why somebody would want to do that. Now there's something right here. Let's see if I can get a better look at it here. I think I mentioned I use a tablet as my video camera, and I'm actually looking at the screen and getting a pretty good view just like you. And I don't see anything funny there that I thought I saw before. And you know, that's not the same wire as the coil. It's definitely a different kind of wire. Has some kind of coating on it. I'm not sure if it's, you know, a varnish or something, a shellac, something of that sort, or whether it's actually cloth. I can't imagine it's cloth though. It would have to be an extremely tiny thread. So that would mean somewhere the coil wire, which is extremely fragile, is connected to this wire. I wonder if I can clean that up a little bit more. Where did my handy dandy? Hey, where'd my toothbrush go? Now, a toothbrush is a pretty clumsy tool. We're going to use something a little more delicate. Ouch, 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 ouch. We'll use this guy here. And I'm going to spray some contact cleaner on it. You know what? I think we're going to try alcohol. Maybe not alcohol. Let's try a little contact cleaner here. Just spray it on the mic. Okay. Hopefully this will just clean it and it won't dissolve the insulation. There's always a chance. That's what I'm actually doing, which wouldn't be a good thing in the coil. Well, we can guess the coil wire is coming onto it right here. To my eye, because I can see this on a slightly different angle, it looks... No, it's just the same wire going under. So it could be connected right there. Okay, I gotta get my high power guy in there. cannot see anything for sure. I cannot see the wire coming out of the coil. I cannot see the wire wrapping, the coil wire wrapping around this lead wire. Well, I can get some pretty good magnification out of this thing. I do see something a little odd here. Odd in the sense I can't make it out. Right up here.